Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run Pandas program in Visual Studio 2026. So first here in Google search box, write there Visual Studio 2026, then go on this Microsoft.com site. So they're going to use enterprise version. So this downloaded. Let's click on this VS Enterprise exe file. This come from Microsoft Corporation. Let's click on yes. And thereafter here you can see Visual Studio installer that's come there. Click on this continue. So this here downloading the files. So this is downloading and after that this will do the installing. So this downloaded and now this is currently installing there. So both are done and this is here Visual Studio installer, getting the Visual Studio installer ready. And now you can see this option that's come there. So they're going to use the Pandas program. For this one, you need to select this option, data science or data science analytical application. So there you can get their Python language support, Python web support. After selecting this, let's click on this and install. So this here is starting download and starting install operation. So here this will take 1.37 GB disk space size and this is now currently downloading as well as this here installing. Now if I go on this command prompt, let's open there cmd. And now if I write this place Python minus minus version, then you can see Python 3.14 is the latest version that already in my system. Then after the next is here going to install the pandas. So there you need to write the command pip install pandas. So pip install. With the help of this command, you can install this pandas inside your Windows system. Now you can see successfully installed pandas. This version is there. So pandas that install. Now there I'm there. Here you can see this is the 21% that's done. So this will take some times. Visual Studio Enterprise 2026. Let's click on this launch button and this here. Let's click on this escape. You have four options. Last one is selecting dark option, that's fine. Then start the Visual Studio. Thereafter, the next is let's click on this create new project. Here you have this option. You can create this project. Here Python. Let's select especially Python from here. Python application that's selecting there. After that, click on this next button. Let's click on this create. So here project is now creating. This is the name solution location. So this is the project here. After that the next is let's run the pandas code. So this here, now pasting inside. Control S to save. The next is this here. You can see this all files, Python environment. This taken 3.14. Thereafter, simply you need to click on this as start. So this is now currently running. And now here you can see this is the output that's displaying there. Okay, 0, zone 25, New York, 1 location, second index is there. So this is how we can run this Pandas program inside the Visual Studio 2026. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.